If you're looking for a low profile yet heavy duty drill press for your shop, look no further than the G7944 12-speed heavy duty 14-inch drill press. The G7944 features a 3/4 horsepower motor and manually adjustable belt system for quickly and easily changing spindle speeds from 140 to 3050 RPMs. The head swivels 360 degrees around the column and features an MT No. 2 spindle taper with included keyed chuck. Visit Grizzly.com to check out our full selection of drill chucks and arbors. The spindle features 3 1/4 inches of travel and is positioned to allow for 14 inches of swing. Table height can be adjusted with the locking crank handle for workpieces up to 31.5 inches tall, and the 11 3/8 by 11 3/8 precision ground cast iron table can be tilted 90 degrees left or right. The table also swivels 360 degrees around the center and features 4 T-slots for securing your workpiece. Also, light up your work area with the built-in 120-volt work light. This floor model drill press is the perfect addition to any wood shop or metal shop, so pick one up today on Grizzly.com.